Hello, kids! Welcome to the fruit quiz. Question 1. Which fruit is red? A. Banana. B. Apple. C. Kiwi. The answer is apple. Question 2. Which fruit is yellow? A. Banana. B. Strawberry. C. Blueberry. The answer is banana. Question 3. Which fruit is round? A. Apple. B. Banana. C. Pineapple. The answer is apple. Question 4. Which fruit is green? A. Orange. B. Kiwi. C. Strawberry. The answer is kiwi. Question 5. Which fruit is long? A. Banana. B. Apple. C. Cherry. The answer is banana. Question 6. Which fruit is orange? A. Apple. B. Orange. C. Banana. The answer is orange. Question 7. Which fruit is small? A. Watermelon. B. Cherry. C. Pineapple. The answer is cherry. Question 8. Which fruit is big? A. Strawberry. B. Watermelon. C. Blueberry. The answer is watermelon. Question 9. Which fruit is purple? A. Grape. B. Banana. C. Apple. The answer is grape. Question 10. Which fruit has many seeds inside? A. Apple. B. Watermelon. C. Banana. The answer is watermelon. Great job! You are amazing! See you next time. Bye-bye.